Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a custom sound to your soundboard inside a Discord. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright guys, I find the best way is to use the web version of Discord. So open up any web browser and now make sure to log in, and then after you logged in, click onto your server. Click on my server here to Tutwiz server here. And now I'm going to make this a bit smaller. And now from here you want to click onto where it says your server. You got a little drop down menu here. Click on that, and then what you want to do from here is click on the server settings. So I just made it a bit bigger here. So click on server settings, the gear icon. And now on the left hand side, you got under Tutwiz server, you got Soundboard. So click on Soundboard. And now as you can see, I've got no custom sounds in here. So now to add a sound, click on upload sound. Browse your files for that sound, and then once you've done that, click on upload, and they'll upload it to your soundboard inside Discord.